I'm sure that the companies that approach us have heard of the performance and of the quality of our systems, and at the same time also see the potential that we have as a small, I would call it agile entity, that we can react to specific needs, that we have specialists in-house that can validate whether the request is reasonably implementable or whether a high effort is needed, or that we have specialists in-house that are able to assess, well, for this solution we should do a software replica, for this solution we should look at the integration of real components. And the FTDs is of course a very nice piece of hardware. The good thing about FTDs, we don't have to discuss which switch goes where, because it's defined by the original cockpit, so we have to replicate the original cockpit. Of course, now we have to differentiate FTD in the EASA terminology, not FTD in the FAA terminology. So FTDs in the EASA terminology, which require full replicas of the cockpits and exact replication of what is in the cockpit. The decisions that have to be taken in connection with the development of the FTDs relate to using the original system. So can we incorporate the system which is used in the real aircraft? Do we replicate the system? Do we do a partial replica? Do we do a full replica? Is it completely re-engineered? Are we able to use original software that is running on systems? So these decisions are very important in connection with the development of the FTDs, and they have to be taken carefully because over the long run they have, of course, a high impact. Yeah, I think this is one of the strengths that Elite has, that we not only are capable of developing beautiful software and also doing this development in a very flexible way. So whenever customers approach us with special requirements, with special expectations, we are happy to look at these and to embed them in our system, which is quite flexible. Also, there's a core of the software which is required, but this core is very flexible to add plugins and to add additional functionality. So apart from our capabilities in the software development, we also have good capabilities, strong capabilities in hardware development. And this is actually one of the key factors, because a simulation system is a combination of both. It's software and hardware.